So in this video, we are going to learn how to enroll new Infusionsoft or Keap contact in a Zenler course. Now guys, if you're using Zenler to sell your online courses and Keap or Infusionsoft as a CRM application, this automation is going to help you a lot. So using this automation, whenever a new contact will be created in Keap or Infusionsoft, automatically the same contact will be enrolled into a course in our Zenler account. So if you're getting some free trials of a course, this automation can benefit you a lot and automate a lot of your process. So if you want to know how you can use this automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Infusionsoft to Zenler. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Infusionsoft, our Keap CRM with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time we receive a new contact, we add a new contact in Infusionsoft, automatically the details of that newly added contact will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using Pabbly Connect's automation, we are going to send those new contact details to Zenler and enroll that particular contact into a course in our Zenler account. So let's see how it is done. So let's begin with our trigger window, and here in Choose App, search for Infusionsoft by Keap. Just select it. After selecting our trigger application, in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new contact. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Infusionsoft account with Pabbly Connect. So to make this connection, click on this connect with Infusionsoft by Keap button. And because I have already logged into my Keap account, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account over here. Just click on this login credentials button. Then just click on allow. And as we click on allow, we will see our Infusionsoft account, our Keap account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here you can see a button of save and send test request. Just click on it. And after clicking on save and send test request, it has now changed to waiting for response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response, some data of a new contact being created in Infusionsoft or Keap. So let's do it. We are going to first create a new contact in our Keap CRM. Just go to contact section, click on add a contact. And here guys, at this pop-up, we have to enter the details of the new contact which we want to create. So I'm going to enter the name as, for example, demo user. This is the name of the dummy contact which we are trying to create. Then let's add an email address. This is the email. For example, the company name is Pabbly and this is a dummy phone number, a dummy mobile number over here. After entering these contact details, just click on save. So just now guys, we have added a new contact in our Keap CRM. And after adding this contact, we will get back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect in this trigger window, we will see within few seconds, we will get the response of this new contact being created. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. And yes, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received some response from Keap inside Pabbly Connect. And in this response, you can see the details of the new contact being created. We have received the object type as contact. For this object, we have received the data. Then here you can see the date and time, that at what date and time this event has happened. This contact is created in our Keap account. Then after that, here you can see the ID, the contact ID of the contact which is created. And also you can see the event key, contact.added, that for this particular event, Keap has sent the data to Pabbly Connect. So in this way, guys, you can see that whenever a new contact will be created inside our Keap CRM, Keap is going to send these details to Pabbly Connect. But in this response, in these details, you will see we haven't actually received the details of the contact which we have created. Details like name, email, phone number are missing over here. Now to get those details, what we have to do, using this contact ID which Keap has sent of a new contact, we have to actually retrieve the details of the contact in the next step. And to retrieve the details, just scroll down, come to our action window, and here in Choose App, once again search for Infusionsoft or Keap. Just select this application in Choose App. And this time, in action event from this drop down, we have to select the action event as retrieve a contact. Then just click on connect. And then because we have connected our Keap account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, we don't have to make a new connection over here. You can select the existing connection and click on save. And when we click on save, we will see our Infusionsoft account, our Keap account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the only thing it asks us is the contact ID. That what is the contact ID of that contact whose details we want to retrieve. So in this trigger window, we have seen that we have received the response of contact ID of a new contact being created from Keap. So here from this response, we have to actually map this response of contact ID over here in this field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Keap in this trigger window. And out of all of these responses, select this response of ID and it will be mapped over here. After this, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response over here. And in this response, you will see the contact details of the same contact which we have just now created in our Keap CRM. So we have created a new contact in Keap and the trigger window, we have received the contact ID. Using this contact ID, in the next step, we have retrieved the details of this contact. And in response, you can see the same email address, same first name, and then here you can see the same last name as well. You can see the company name and also the mobile number which we have entered. This means the details of the contact which we have created in Keap is now successfully received inside Pabbly Connect. And the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, the contact which we have created in Keap, we want to add this exact same contact. We want to enroll this contact into a particular course in our Zenler account. And for that, just scroll down, click on this plus button of Add Action Step. And then here in Choose App, search for Zenler. Just select it. After selecting Zenler, in action event from this drop-down, select the action event as Enroll User to a Course. Just select it. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Zenler account with Pabbly Connect in this window. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and the school or the account name of our Zenler account. Now to get the school or account name, what you have to do, you just have to log into your Zenler account, and after that, here in this URL section, after https:// and before .newzenler or .zenler, you will see this account ID or the school ID of your Zenler account. Just copy this same ID from here, from the URL section, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting this, it is also asking us for the API key. And to get the API key, just go back to your Zenler account. From the right top corner, click on this Profiles option and go to Settings. After coming to the settings page, from the left sidebar, just scroll down and at last, under this Developers section, you can see API key. Just click on it. And here you can see the API key of your Zenler account. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in this connection window in the API key field. And after pasting this, just click on Save. And when we click on Save, we will see our Zenler account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is to enter the course ID. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the courses which I have created in my Zenler account. Let me show you. We will go to my Zenler account and the courses section. And here you can see all the courses which I have created in my Zenler account can be seen over here in this dropdown. Out of all of these courses, in which particular course we want to add or enroll this contact which we have created in Keap. So I want to enroll these contacts in this particular course of core PHP programming. So we are going to select that course over here. After selecting the course, it is asking us course plan ID. So it is most likely possible that you might have created multiple pricing plans for your courses in Zenler. So using which particular pricing plan we want to add this student, we want to enroll this student into the course. We have to enter the plan ID of that particular plan, particular pricing plan. Now you must be thinking how you can get this pricing plan ID. So to get it, just go to Zenler, open the course in which you want to enroll. After opening it, go to this pricing section. Now under pricing section, you will see a list of all the pricing plans which we have created for this course in Zenler. Right now for this particular course, I have created only one pricing plan and it is basically free right now. So here guys, using whatever pricing plan we want to enroll this course, we just have to go to the edit section of this pricing plan. Click on this edit button, and after opening this pricing plan, here in the URL section, after pricing slash and before slash edit, you can see this plan ID. Just copy this plan ID from this URL section, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. So in this way, we are going to ensure that all the contacts which are created in Keap, automatically all of those contacts should be enrolled in this particular course using this course plan ID. After entering these details, it is asking us email address, first name and last name of the user of the student which we want to enroll. And the help text below email address says, enter the email address. If the email address doesn't exist, Pabbly will create a new user first and then will enroll the user to the course. So all the contacts which we are adding in Keap, if those contacts are already not added or not added as a student in Zenler, then Pabbly will first create or add those students in Zenler, and after that it is going to enroll those students into that particular course. So you don't have to add two steps of first creating the student or adding the student in Zenler and then assigning them to a course. Now to do this, we have to first enter the email address, first name and last name of the student to whom we want to enroll into the course. And we have received these details of a new contact in this second step. We have retrieved the email address, the first name and also the last name of the new contact which we have added in Keap. So from these responses of Keap of the contact details which we have retrieved, one by one we have to map all of these details over here in this step of Zenler in the respective field. Let's begin with email address, and the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field, and from the drop down from Infusionsoft by Keap responses, select this response of email address and map it after retrieving the contact details. Then just click on this field of first name. From the drop down, map the first name, and in last name field, map the response of last name over here. Here it is. And after mapping all of these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows the user or the student whose details we have mapped over here. Basically, the same contact which we have just now created in our Keap account, the same contact has been enrolled to this particular course in our Zenler account. So let's check it. We will go to the Zenler account. We'll go to this courses section. We will just open up this course and then let's go to the student section of this course. And after coming to the students page, you will see demo user, the same contact which we have just now added in our Keap CRM. The same contact has been enrolled to this particular course in our Zenler account. This means the automation workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new contact will be created in Keap, automatically with the same contact details, the same contact will be enrolled into the course in our Zenler account. Now here guys, after setting up this automation, we just want to test this automation workflow once in real time. And for that, we will just go to our Keap account, our Infusionsoft account, and we are going to create a new contact over here. Click on Add a Contact button, give this contact a name. For example, this time the name is Test User. This is the email address. And then the company. Let's add a company. Let's add another dummy mobile number over here and click on Save. So as we click on Save, we will see just now we have added a new contact in our Keap CRM, in our Infusionsoft account. And we will see as we add this new contact, automatically within few seconds, the same contact will be enrolled into the course in our Zenler account. So let's check it. We will go to a Zenler account here at the students page and refresh this students page once. And yes, here you can see that test user, the same contact which we have just now added a few seconds ago in our Keap CRM, automatically the same contact has been added or enrolled into a course in our Zenler account. Here you can see the same name and the same email address. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new contact will be created in Infusionsoft or Keap, automatically the same contact will be enrolled into a particular course in our Zenler account. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.